Hello, it's me again. I'm here today to do another take apart, tell you what the problem is. Today I'm taking apart these controllers to tell you what the problem is. I'm going to be using some dust remover because I know they're hella dusty. That's partially what the problem is with these old controllers. They get dust in them, and yeah. Okay, let's get started on this. Okay, we're going to start with one of the Genesis controllers. And this one's pretty easy because it's a Phillips. Get a little container, gonna hold the screws in, or don't lose them. Whoops. Damn it. Can you come here and help me? Because I can't do this shit alone. Okay, this is the motherboard, which we will be cleaning. The buttons we also take out, and what is all that excess? Damn. Seriously. What the hell is all that? Okay, first we take out the buttons, clean that. Oops. I have no idea what the hell that is. I see what it is. It's pieces of the controller where the screws go in. Shit. Okay. Now comes the fun part. We'll use our air duster. Hold the camera. Whoops. What the hell is that? Oh, another screw. You gotta make sure all the screws are out. Then we clean. Whoops. Ah. Okay. Okay, right here. For this video, we're not going to be spraying the motherboard because it's really dangerous to do with the motherboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to my taking apart the computer, and we're going to use a white eraser, you know, to clean out the corrosion in there. So here we go. See all these metal parts in the motherboard? You want to clean it till they're nice and golden. This is the same way you clean the RAM stick. All right. Now let's put it back together. Alright. First, what we want to do is line everything up back in here. Make sure you got everything right the way it was when you first took it apart. Unfortunately, I didn't do it that like that. I have no references, but I have a reference right there, so it's good to have a reference on anything you take apart. Alright. Put all these things back. Exactly the way they came out. I'm missing the motherboard. Alright. Sometimes this could get a little difficult because the little buttons keep pressing out. That's no problem though. Final step is to put the screws back in, just the way they came out. Well, that's not the final step. The final step is to test it out to see if it works. Oops. Okay. Alright, and we're done with that. Now time to test it out. Okay, Mike, hold on to that. As you can see, I have a game system here that we're going to be testing out. Hold on the camera. I need to do some things. Oops. Whoa. Alright, that should do. And give me the controller. Plug it in. Let's find a game. Sonic the Hedgehog. It's a good game. And I think this game system is set on channel 4. So let's go back. Input. Okay, 04. Oh. 03. No power. Alright. What happened here? Ah, there we go. One of the things. Alright. One of the things you want to make sure you have. The unfortunate thing here is I didn't have it hooked up correctly, so pardon my ignorance. I didn't have it hooked up correctly. Alright, now let's find the right channel. 4. Okay, 3.
We don't need no thinking belt, ladies and gentlemen, but an unfortunate trip to the hospital after play fighting.
Okay, with these old systems, they're kind of tough to get going, but I think I have it now.
This joke can fight. You might.
There we go. Alright. Film this. Alright, the buttons seem to be working fine. Yeah, film this. As you can see, I'm a pretty much an old school gamer. I'm pretty new school too. But I like the old school games as well. Alright, that was one level. Alright. Alright, that works. Now let's get on to the other one. Alright. You see me videotape me fixing both of these, or one of them at least. We'll go ahead and try and fix the ps2 controller. Alright. Unfortunately, we don't have anything here to test it out with. Okay. First I have to, oh, okay. This is going to be easy too because this is also a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, where is it? Alright, here we go. Okay, getting the screws out, pretty simple. Pretty simple if you have the right tools. Take for instance the Xbox controller. It has different shaped screws. Like it doesn't have Phillips head screws. It doesn't have straight slot screws. It has those weird triangle ones. That's really difficult to take apart. Wow. Okay. I'm going to be quite honest with you guys. This is the first time I ever took apart anything other than a Genesis controller. So I'm going to be very delicate with this one. See, I would have broke it right there because I didn't see that screw there. Alright then. Now that we got that out, doesn't exactly come all the way apart, but alright. Seems like we got it. Alright, my friend said he had problems with the Y, was it?
The triangle.
Okay, the triangle. I was thinking it was an Xbox. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to blow everything out like I did with the other one, and then we're going to take our white eraser and clean that, the motherboard. Shit.
What is that on there? No.
Wow. Okay. Anyway, as I say, this is my first time taking apart PS3 controller or PS2 controller. If I had known that it had all these little parts in it, I would have did it with more discretion. Anyway, okay then. We are going to use our white eraser to clean the parts now. Oh, look at that. Little plastic motherboard. Nonetheless, we're going to use our white eraser to clean. All these black marks right here, I'm guessing would be the gold or the connections where the buttons are. So that's why we're cleaning that. And which did you say was the problem part? The triangle?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to take extra care with the buttons area. Alright then. Now time to put everything back together. Okay. Okay, I believe this is the buttons. No. Yes. Damn. A little difficulter than the regular Genesis controllers. That's okay, because we could figure this stuff out. Damn. And also, if we screw up on something, once we get the business started and we screw up taking apart your thing, you can't play your system anymore, bring it back and we'll try and fix it again for free. Okay, this was one. That was one. Alright then. We'll put this back in. The screw, place it back where it belongs, screw it back in, get another little pipe. Okay, put these back in. Okay. Alright, it's all in. Let's place the plate over it.
Oops. How much time is on the camera?
Going on about 32 minutes.
Shit.
About almost. It's not that bad.
Alright.
Alright, like I said, we don't have anything to test it out with, but I would like to test the buttons. You see? The buttons right here are locked up. Alright. So I'm going to have to take this thing apart again and try and fix it where it's not locked up. Yeah. Anyway, this has been a TDC production. This is a promotional video that I've been doing. Trying to take apart things, put them back together. Been trying to destroy stuff with my demolition expert. Unfortunately, my friend does not want to be on camera, so my TDC tech expert does not want to be on camera, so I'm going to take apart the laptop myself, and he's going to give his feedback. I don't know, he just doesn't want to be on camera. It's fine, he's a little camera shy, so whatever. But I'm going to be taking apart this laptop soon and telling you guys what's the matter with it. I already know what's the matter with it, but I'm going to run through it all with you. Alright? Like I did with the controllers. Alright. Follow me on Facebook. My name's Robert M. Smith. Facebook hashtag RoboSmith. Weird name, but yeah. Follow me on Facebook, see what's up. Deuces.